Hey guys, it's Yashita and welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. This is my first video of 2019 and I wanted it to be something special. At the beginning of every year, we all have certain goals that we want to achieve. We all are productive. We want to bring certain changes in our life. A simple step towards achieving your aspiration is to make a planner first. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very easy, basic and affordable planner or journal, whatever you want to call it. And I really hope this video drives you guys to be more organized this year. And yeah, now without a further ado, let's just get started with the video. Things that I've used to make my planner are this notebook with blank pages, then a crayon set which I got from Miniso, a set of sketch pens, a paper tape set and a black pen. So in this video you're gonna see that I have drawn everything with the help of a pencil beforehand because I did not want to mess up anything on camera. So anyway, I am just outlining it with the help of a black pen. So for the front page I have drawn a floral wreath and it's the only thing that I can draw. So yeah, and inside it I have written a quote which really inspires me. The quote is, "This is the beginning of anything you want." So I actually saw this quote in Larissa's video, her 2018 rewind video. She quoted this and I really got inspired, so I thought of using this on the front page of my planner. Fill the wreath with the help of crayon. These crayons are from Miniso. I got it a couple of months back and I'm finally using them. You can also use color pencils or sketch pens in place of them, but my sheets are quite thin, so I used crayons so that it did not give an impression on the next page. Okay, so now moving on to the next page, it is an overview of the entire year. I divided 12 months on both the sheets and I have drawn equal boxes to make mini calendars. So this way you can have an overview of the entire year and you can mark events or birthdays or holidays in this mini calendar form. The idea of a planner is that you can have a more organized year and you are productive. So this is a very good way to maintain a log of your year. And yeah, also don't mind my handwriting. I don't have a very good handwriting, but I have tried my best to make it presentable in this video. Okay, so after filling in all the months, which was quite time consuming, to give the pages a little bit of color, I have used 12 separate colors to mark each month and I can use it as a theme of the entire month. So yeah, and I also colored the banner yellow to give it a pop of color that it needed. So for the next page, something that is really close to me and very important for me is my YouTube channel. I have drawn the logo of YouTube on a separate sheet and I have pasted it. Here I will note down 50 different YouTube video ideas whenever I get them. And yeah, this page is dedicated for my YouTube channel. Okay, so the next page is also something very important. It is the goals page and here I have tried to do kind of a cute title and I have written my yearly goals. So these are the things that I really want to achieve by the end of 2019 and I hopefully can check them off by the end of the year. Okay, coming to the next page, it will take care of my entertainment needs. So here I have listed down some movies and shows that I really have to watch in 2019, and yeah, I kind of tried to make a movie real, but I'm not that artistic, so it looks like a ladder, but you guys can ignore it, please. So the movies that I want to watch in 2019 are Lion King and Toy Story 4, and for shows I really want to watch Game of Thrones and Stranger Things. Let me know in the comment section what are your must watch for 2019. The next page is my bucket list for 2019. Instead of writing bucket, I drew a bucket, but unfortunately it turned out to be kind of creepy, so I had to replace it with a cute one. In this list I have written the places I want to go, the things that I want, the things that I want to do this year. Okay, so then comes the main part of the planner, which is the January overlay. I'm gonna be doing this monthly wise. For this I've already written the title and drawn a calendar with big boxes so that inside it I can write the tasks for the particular days. And on the second page I have the objectives that I want to complete in January. Also, to match the theme that I gave in the overview, January is pink, so I have highlighted the calendar with a pink sketch pen. And I'm gonna be writing my objectives and the mantra for January, which is for me, do more and think less. This is pretty much it for this. I wanted it to be simple and clean. Okay, so the next page is also a kind of simple one. Here I have titled it as Get It Done. So in this page I'm going to be writing the main tasks that I want to complete during this month, instead of doing everyday to-do list, which I do on this board that I already have and it is always on my desk. Okay, so lastly I thought of making a thought of the week for each week, and here I have used a thought bubble tape which I got from Miniso. I've written the title and decorated it with the tape and clouds. Here I'm going to be jotting down my thoughts or memories of each week from January. So that was my planner / journal for 2019. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.